Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 64 on hashtag SR99 Days Data Science Challenge. And today in this video we are going to look at how to create scatter plots with the help of our Matplotlib package. I have also imported our NumPy package and created some values with our NumPy package. So now let's create a scatter plot. In order to create a scatter plot, we use the function scatter. So plt dot scatter, and it takes two values mandatorily, that is the x and y. So I will pass my x and y values, and here is my scatter plot. So in order to get rid of these lines, I will use the show function. It is plt, and we are good to go now. And let's look at the parameters. So the first parameter is yes, which indicates for the size. So let's change the size to, let's say, 100, and we have increased the size. And the color, let's change it to yellow, and here it is. And also we can change the markers by using our marker parameter, and let's change it to star, and here we did it. And we can also use the edge color parameter to change the edge color. So edge color, and I'm changing it to red. Here you can see the difference, that there is a yellow here, and above that we have our red. In order to particularly differentiate it, let's remove the marker, and here we can see the difference. And we can also use the line width to increase the size of our edge color, and here we did it. And now here we have another interesting value, that is the z, which let's take or assume that it resembles for our particular ratings given by a customer. So we can differentiate our scatters with the help of these ratings, like 0 is for a particular color, 1 is for a particular color, and goes on till 9. So let's do that. In order to do like that, instead of our color value here, we will pass the value z. And now here we got different values. So let me erase the edge color and line width parameters, and now it looks perfect. So now let's say you don't want these random colors, rather you want a particular colors. So we have some inbuilt colors within our parameter cmap. That is, let's pass in the inbuilt value greens, and here we got some particular shades of our green color. There are many other colors too. So in order to check those colors, let me give a wrong value. So let's check gr, and when you scroll down here, these are the values. We have these many colors to plot our scatter plot. So let's take the value, let's say autumn. Let's copy it and paste it in place of gr, and here is our autumn color map. And now you don't know what this particular color represents. So in order to check for that, we can use our color bar function. So let's activate it like how we activate the show function to get rid of those lines. We will activate our color bar. So plt dot color bar, and here we got it. So the dark red is for 0, and as it goes on lighter and lighter, we got till the value line. So this I think this value is 9. Or we have the another color named rainbow, which is pretty much perfect to understand. So we have this dark red, so this value is 9, and orange, so it must be around 7, and it behaves in such a way like that. And also we can give a particular name for our color bar. So let me save it in a variable named cbar, and cbar dot set label, I am setting the label it as ratings. It is set underscore label, and here I got the label for my color bar too. And here you can notice that we have the value size here. So let's check that the value size, and here I have some particular values. In order to use 100, let me change it to size, and when I run it, so here I got a specific size for a specific plot, that is the specific point. And yeah, that's all for today in this video. And in this video we looked at how to create scatter plots and looked at the parameters and played around with it. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.